I am Jamal Haydar, the head of the CE department at the Faculty of Engineering on the Islamic University of Lebanon. I will present the poster of our paper entitled Issues and Innovation for Setting and Infrastructure Management in the Islamic University of Lebanon in the Time of Pandemic. The Islamic University of Lebanon, IUL, is committed to providing faith and knowledge as a source of inspiration for the Lebanese nation, citizen, state, and society as a whole. IUL has paid special attention to the environment and to the green metrics when establishing the new campus in Wardani. The rules related to green buildings and the preservation of the environment were taken into account. The COVID-19 pandemic has created the largest disruption of education systems in human history, affecting nearly 1.6 billion learners in more than 200 countries. In our study, we'll describe how the settings and infrastructure of Wardani campus has helped in managing the COVID-19 crisis at the university through different levels: the physical distancing, the effect of the large campus buildings area according to the campus population, moreover, the large forest spaces, the natural ventilation of buildings, the sanitization and sterilization procedures with setting guidelines for COVID-19, such as the obligation of wearing masks. Furthermore, we'll describe the influence of ICT technologies into education in many different ways for distance learning, and how the university has evolved its ICT infrastructure to support the increase in demand, internet capacity, and on university servers. Concerning the commitment of green buildings against COVID-19, the university pays attention to these criteria, and the impacts of green buildings within the COVID-19 avoidance and control can be outlined into 5 points. First, giving the fundamental capacity for disaster avoidance and control, corporate characteristic ventilation, indoor cleansing and cleaning, and maintaining a strategic distance from gathering. For property administration, incorporate standard administration, data exposure, data administration, discuss quality and water quality observing, steady operation of building hardware, and aptitudes in reacting to the disaster. Giving facilities for disaster avoidance, reduce the chance of disease spread, so the building itself should isolate the infection as much as conceivable to reduce the chance of disease. Advancing and securing the health of occupants, and controlling water quality and antibacterial work building materials to decrease the chance of getting infection and improve the capacity of standing up to infection. Also, the stabilization, work, and living environment during the epidemic prevention. And concerning the setting and infrastructure of Wardani campus, it's a big campus or a large campus. It has an area of about 470,000 meters square. The building area is about 30,000 meters square, and the ratio of open space area to total campus area is about 98%. Here we can deduce the ratio of the open space area to the total campus population, that is about 330 square meter per person. Concerning the systems and infrastructure for COVID-19 risk reduction, the management is done through different levels: the physical distancing, the wide campus buildings area and campus population helps in this point, the use of computer-based communication technologies. Concerning the infrastructure of the e-learning management system, EMS, the university has put into work the Moodle platform for online courses and for online exams. Here we can see the infrastructure of the system. The system is composed of a software on the servers, the hardware, the servers, and the infrastructure, the network. The total number of users between instructors and students reaches about 13,000 users of the Moodle system. The university has evolved its network and extended the servers, so as well as increasing the internet capacity from 50 megabits per second to 200 megabits per second as a dedicated bandwidth. And 6 servers were put into work to provide a continuous online access to all users to the system with a secure manner. The IT team has used a load balancer to distribute the load on these 6 servers. As a conclusion, we can say that many regulations has been put into work to provide the limitations against the COVID-19 risks. So the large total campus area has helped to keep a physical distancing between students. The large ratio of campus buildings area according to the campus population was able to accommodate all students who need to come to the university to complete their practical works or do their exams, establishing some tunnels for sterilization at the entrance of buildings. Also, the building architecture and the natural ventilation were among the factors that contributed to mitigation the risk of COVID-19. And finally, the MS system and the extension of the university infrastructure, the servers, the network, the internet. Thank you. Goodbye.